Here's a simple, flexible way to make easy fruit cookies you can adapt for almost any fruit you have on hand. Fresh, frozen, or dried. Easy cookies, base recipe. Servings, about 20 cookies. Prep time, 10 minutes. Bake time, 12 to 15 minutes. Ingredients. Dry, 1/2 cups, 190 grams all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Wet. 1/2 cup, 115 grams unsalted butter, softened. 1/2 cup, 100 grams granulated sugar. 1/2 cup, 100 grams brown sugar, lightly packed. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Fruit. Option 1, fresh soft fruit. 1 cup chopped strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, peaches, mango, or pineapple. Pat dry to remove moisture. Option 2, firm dry fruit. 1 cup diced apples or pears. Lightly sauté in 1 teaspoon butter plus 1 teaspoon sugar for 2 to 3 minutes. Option 3, dried fruit. 3/4 cup raisins. Cranberries. Dried apricots, cherries, figs, or dates, chop if large. Optional extras. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon or nutmeg for warm flavor. 1/2 cup nuts or white dark chocolate chips for texture. Instructions. Preheat and prep. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Mix dry. In a small bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Cream butter and sugar. In a larger bowl, beat butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add egg and vanilla. Beat in egg and vanilla until combined. Combine wet and dry. Slowly add dry mixture into the wet mixture, mixing just until combined. Fold in fruit. Gently fold in your chosen fruit and optional extras. If using fresh fruit, make sure it's blotted dry so cookies don't get soggy. Scoop and bake. Scoop tablespoon-sized balls onto the baking sheet, spacing them 2 inches apart. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until edges are golden and centers are set. Cool and enjoy. Let cool on the sheet for 5 minutes and transfer to a wire rack. Tips for using any fruit. Fresh berries, add them last and stir gently to avoid breaking them. Extra juicy fruit, pat dry and toss in 1 teaspoon flour before adding to batter. Frozen fruit, use straight from the freezer, don't thaw, to prevent mushiness. Dried fruit, if they're hard, soak in warm water or juice for 5 min, then drain and pat dry.